there's no house now, they now live there outside. There are many people on that bridge as I'm talking to you now. There are many people by the side of the sea. There are many people in a place where we call Package, that is where the park motto, uncomputed building. There are people inside as we are talking now. In Europe, I'm not talking from Africa now. In Europe. And the government said that everybody had to enter house. And those people have no house to enter. And government went there to interview them. They now saw that they don't have a house to enter. And government now leave them there. Government left those people there. And you said you are asking God to come and bring solution to the sickness. Oh my God. If I say you are joking, it's like maybe I'm supporting the sickness. No. No man will support the sickness. No. But you must do what is right, or you must do what God is asking you to do, so that God will do what you are asking God to do. God is telling you to show love, but you are showing wickedness, and you are telling God to show love. Is that not wickedness? That is true, brother. It's a wickedness in the highest order. That is true. Wickedness in the highest order. Okay, now fine. Okay, the people that agree to enter house, or the people that enter house, they enter house for 2 weeks now. So 3 weeks now they enter house and they lock door. And with the food they have inside, with 3 weeks, a man and his wife and 2 children, 3 children, so 4 children, they enter house, they lock door, and they have been eating the food they have inside, and that food is not finished. Those food finish. Now, through the window, they open the window and say, we need food. And government say, hey, lock the window. And government know that really, there is no food again in that house. Government know. As I'm talking with you now, there are children and families that are dying inside houses because of lack of food. Finish. That is food. Finish. And government said they should lock door and lock the window. They should not come out. Because they want to stop the virus outside. And the people are inside, they are dying. Okay, if I say they are dying, I will explain. Out of 5 families that enter inside and lock door, 2 people have died inside. Now you done in 3. The 3 want to open door and come out. Government said no, lock the door. Stay inside. They're not talking about our people that die. Come and carry them out. Government said, shut up, lock the door. Is that not wickedness? Even if the virus hear that thing that the government is operating now, if the virus you see the operation of the government, if the virus you see the way the government is maltreating or treating the people of the land, with the virus, oh my God, will the virus now have pity on the government? The virus is not wicked as you people think. So people say the virus is very wicked. No, the virus is not wicked, but human beings are wicked. Mother Oria, God bless you. Mama Kelly, God bless you. Davidson, baby, God bless you. I see you. Kids boy, I see you. God bless you. So it's not the virus that is wicked. It's the human being. Is a human being that are wicked. Is a human being that are wicked. The human being are the one wicked. Thank you, Austin. Ologo, God bless you. I see you. God bless you. So human beings are wicked than the virus. If the virus afflicts a poor person, and it afflicts a rich person, They tell the poor person that the virus afflicted to stay at home. And the rich man or the rich person that the virus affected, they now rush the rich man to the hospital and they start treating the rich man. Is that not wickedness? They every day, okay fine, every day they announce the people that recover from the virus, and they also announce the people that die because of the virus. Check it, the people who recover are rich people, while the people that are dying are poor people. That is wickedness. That is wickedness. So your wickedness is giving power to the virus. If you show love, the love that you show we move God to show love towards man. If you show love to human being, God will show love to you as a country. If you show love, especially, there are some countries who have vowed not to show love to foreigners. You know that word, I'll bring it down. There are some country, all the law that they are passing in that country, they don't even want even one of the law to favor the foreigners, the immigrants in the land, the foreigners in the land. No. And that same people today, they are calling God to have mercy on them because virus is killing them. Oh my God. Hey! The Bible says, blessed are the merciful, for they said, we also obtain mercy. If you have mercy on people, God will have mercy on you. If you show love to people, God will show love to you. If you listen to, the Bible said, okay, now let me go. If you listen to the cry of the poor, if the government should listen to the crying of the poor, God will also listen to the crying of the government. That is true. If the president of the country is crying because the virus is killing his people, that man is doing what the Italian people call football. That is lying, is deceiving the people. I will say it again. If the country president, or if the president of a country is crying because virus is killing his people, that president, I said, that president is deceiving his people. He is deceiving his people. Before the virus came, what was the response of that president to his people? What was the response of that president to his people before the virus came? Even now the virus came, what is the response of him to his people? If you come out, you are crying that the virus is killing your people, and oh my God. A president that carried flower to go and put in the graveyard of people who died, and he refused to help people that are still living, is a wicked God, is a wicked president. Instead of you to help a man, you now decide to help a dog. You are wicked. You are wicked. You are wicked. So, my dear brother, I have a good news for you. My dear sister, I have a good news for you. Joy, God bless you, I see you. Atoni, God bless you, I see you. The Bible says, who is him that overcometh these afflictions of this world? Who is that man? Who is that woman that overcome the virus of this world? The afflictions of this world.